bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is Hennessy with a little bit of Coke. So when you're ready, go ahead, pause this video, grab your drink and come back. And yes, I broke a nail. Don't judge me. Oh, that is strong. Jesus. And let it be known that it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I do not need to be drinking anything that strong right now. All right, so based on the title of the video, you'll see that we are talking about what you should pack in your overnight bag when you're staying with your boyfriend or the person you're dating currently, or your soon-to-be husband, or whatever the case is. Oh, that is a little bit better. First thing, you want to make sure that you have a nice big enough size bag. Nothing too big that's going to scare him and make him think that you're trying to move in, but something kind of like a beach bag in that size there, or even your Louis Vuitton Neverfull, like that size is perfect. Inside of that bag, you want to have a little pouch. Within that pouch is where you are going to have your feminine must-haves. And that includes panty liners, that includes feminine wipes. You want to make sure that you have pads or tampons, because anything can happen at any time and you don't want to be stuck at a guy's house with none of these things, and then you guys have that awkward conversation where it's like, babe, can you run to the store? Especially if it's a guy where you've only been talking to him for like maybe a month or so. So make sure you have that in your little pouch ready to go. You also want to have like chapstick. If you want to carry like a mini bottle of water, think about it like a camping trip, okay? Everything that you think you might not need, you might need, if that makes any sense. Pack a little bit of trail mix. Okay, something to munch on. They have the travel size toothbrushes. Make sure you bring one of those. Toothpaste, just in case he's one of those guys who are just gross. You know, boys are gross in general. So make sure you have your own just in case, or if you have to like run out, if you plan on doing the walk of shame, and I use that term lightly because unless the sex was completely trash, you should never be ashamed of what you did the night before. Okay, and that's basically what you need to have in your little pouch. Okay. You also want to make sure that you have some type of contraceptive, whether you're on the pill, whether you are using condoms with this person, whatever the situation is, make sure that you have your own protection, because again, anything can happen. Guys love to use the phrase that it doesn't feel the same. Oh, I'm allergic to latex. Oh, I don't like using condoms. Oh, I forgot to buy condoms, whatever. Make sure that you have your own form of contraceptive. And if he does not want to use a condom with you, especially with somebody that you don't know that well, you guys haven't really been together, you guys haven't gotten tested together or anything like that, make sure you have your own condoms. Make sure, well, no, that's not where I'm going with that. I was leading with, if he doesn't want to use condoms, be wary. I think you should pack your things and leave. Walk out of the house until he can give you a good enough reason, a doctor's note, a mom's note, something that lets you know, all right, this is the reason why he cannot use condoms. Okay? Okay. Another thing you want to pack in your overnight bag, underwear, and possibly a change of clothes. I say underwear because, again, if you just so happen to get your period, or you're drinking so much that you pee a little bit on yourself, or you guys were so excited that he ripped your panties, or you just want to take a shower and put on new underwear, make sure that you have a pair of underwear. You can always go to Walmart, Target, wherever, and get those big packs with like 5 or 7 in it for less than $10, and that will cover you for like ever. You want to make sure, when I say change of clothes, I mean something comfortable. So like leggings, a tank top, nothing over the top, nothing like we're going on a dinner date or something like that. You want to put something on that you're comfortable in. Remember, you're not waking up in your own home, so you want to be comfortable leaving this person's house the next day, especially if you're one of those people who want to avoid the walk of shame, which again, I use that term very lightly. Okay, what else do you want to pack in your overnight bag? Haven't had to pack an overnight bag in a minute. Babe, what do girls come over your house with when they spend the night?
Take them back home right after.
You So nobody spends the night? Have I ever spent the night at your house before?
I don't think so.
Such a whore. Oh my gosh. I have spent the night.
You have? Probably a long time too.
Yes, in the beginning. I did spend the night and I woke up and I made breakfast.
It's been so long.
Exactly. Anyways, I'm the exception. All you other whores had to leave that same night. Deodorant, body wash, rag, you know, all those little basic things that you need to bathe with, unless you want to smell like Irish Spring and Old Spice. Nothing against those scents because I love those. I actually do like those scents, but on a guy, not on a girl. So unless you want to smell like a man, make sure you pack your little Dove and your Whitney and Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works and all that stuff, so you can smell nice and fresh the next day. I honestly can't think of anything else. If you can think of anything else, leave it in the comment section below. Tell me what you pack in your overnight bag. That's pretty much what I packed. I mainly packed like toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, body wash. I packed, yeah, that was it basically. So all this extra stuff is me older and wiser and passing on wisdom onto you younger folk, okay? So make sure you have all of that stuff. Oh, also, if you want to pack like a nice little nightie or a little nightie or a pajama set, you can do that as well, especially if you're going to your bona fide man house. Granted, that stuff might already be there, but still, you know, if you're just going to have like a little Netflix and chill type of night, then that works. So you don't want to get into the man bed in your outside clothes. You feel me? Right, even though I'm probably nasty already, but yeah. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any overnight bag tips, leave them in the comment section below. You don't want to bring anything too big, so nothing like a duffel bag at all, unless you're going to leave it in your car. Which a lot of these things probably won't fit in your Neverfull, so probably, yeah. Excuse me. Then again, it probably will. Unless your Neverfull is the actual purse, then no. But yeah, you should have these in your car already ready to go. You feel me? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.